Hello students, once again welcome you back to GK's maths classes. Today we are going to do a totally different thing. We are not going to do any problem solving or any concept explanation in mathematics. Today instead what we are going to do, we are going to talk about this concept called EMI and how am I going to prepare an amortization schedule. Okay, how am I going to prepare an amortization schedule using Excel. Okay, this is a general video for especially students who are in class 12th and who are doing applied mathematics. You can use this as one of your practical and it can be recorded in your record notebook. For otherwise, for general public, this is a very important thing. Whenever we go to buy anything like a house, or if you want to buy a refrigerator and if you are going to take an EMI, they always give you an amortization chart, which not many people understand what exactly it is. So today we'll try to understand it, okay, what it is, how it is prepared, so that you also know what it actually means. Okay, so we'll straight away go to MS Excel, and I will be posting more videos, okay, using Excel. Okay, so kindly subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to get notifications on all such interesting videos. I hope this video will be very useful to you. Let us go into it. Okay, now I'll just go to Excel. It will take some time, just 1 second. Okay, I will be seated, so I will be using the Excel. Okay, just watch this. Now the question here is, suppose a person borrows, just a second, I'll close this. Suppose a person borrows rupees 1 lakh for 1 year from a bank which wishes to pay a loan, which he wishes to repay the loan in equal monthly installment. The bank charges 12% per annum compounded annually. Prepare an amortization chart. So here my principal is 1 lakh and I have to find the tenure. Tenure is for 1 year, so it is per month, means it will be 12 months. And the interest rate is 12% per annum, so you have to 12% per month I am going to find, and I will calculate the EMI. After calculating EMI, I am going to prepare an amortization chart. Okay, let us see how to go about it. Okay, shall we start? Just watch this. Now first of all, the principal here, see the principal is 1 lakh. Now tenure is very simple. If you want to put a formula, always put an equal to sign. The moment you put an equal to sign, it becomes a formula. Equal to what? 1 year, right? So 1 year into 12 months. In this case, it's very simple. But if it is for 10 years, 15 years, it is easy. Using the formula, you get, see, the tenure is 12 months. Okay. Now interest. What is the interest? Interest is 12% per annum. So you type equal to 12%. Okay, divided by 12. 12% divided by 12. So that will give you interest per month. See, it is 0.01. So that is your interest. Now what is EMI? EMI, there is a formula in Excel. Straight away you can calculate the EMI in Excel. Now how do I calculate? Equal to, this is the command, equal to, make a note of this command, equal to PMT. The moment you say it PMT, it will give you a help. Okay, it is called calculate payment for loan based on constant payment. That is what EMI is all about. So double click on this. So it will ask what all inputs you have to give. So it gives you, it prompts you with help also. The first is rate of interest, second is number of years, and P is the present value. We don't have to bother about the other two as of now. So what is rate of interest? Here the rate of interest is, the tenure is 12, right? The rate of interest is 12, comma, separated by comma. Rate of interest is 0.01, okay? 0.01, comma. And what is the duration tenure? Tenure is 12 months. And what is the present value? Present value is my principal, 1 lakh. Again, I'll repeat, it's PMT equal to, first you have to put a formula, equal to PMT, rate of interest is 0.01, tenure is 12, and the principal is 1 lakh, all separated by comma, close the bracket and press enter. Okay, now here when I press enter, you will see something strange. You will get it in red color. The red color shows its cash outflow. Okay, so to make it positive, what you do, again click on it, and in this function box, put a minus sign in front. So it will become cash inflow. So perfect. So now your EMI is 8,884.88. I hope you understood how to calculate the EMI. The formula is equal to PMT separate, and all the parameters. The parameters are, first is the interest, second parameter is the tenure. I'll show you once again. See this? Equal to PMT. First parameter is the interest, second parameter is the tenure, and third parameter is the principal. I'm putting a minus sign because otherwise you get negative value. That it will give in red. Red means negative. Okay. Now that finishes this part. Now I'll come to this column. See, there are various columns I've put here. First, let's go one by one. What is month? Month is from 1 to 12, right? So how do I type 1, then 2? Then you don't have to type 3, 4 like that. You just select 2 and come to this corner. It will become plus sign. Just drag it. Some of you, most of you may know it. In case someone does not know, I'm just saying this. Okay. So now you see it comes. Again, I'll show you. So type 1 and 2. Select these two. Go to this edge and just drag it. You can drag it to any value you want, but here I just want only up to 12 months. Am I right? Since I want only up to 12 months, I'll stop here. Any question? I think that should be absolutely clear. Now, what is the next, what I know? EMI. EMI paid at the end of each month. The EMI paid at the end of each month is 8,884.88. Okay? And it is going to be same throughout. Am I right? EMI is a constant payment that you make every month. So just hold this and drag. You will get the EMI. Correct? Did you understand that? So EMI is 888.4. Just type here. Again, I'll show you. Just type that value and just hold on and drag. It will get copied in all the cells. So that finishes this part. Now what is the amount? See, look at this column. The amount outstanding at the beginning of each month. The amount outstanding at the beginning of each month means, in the beginning, what is the amount? My amount is 1 lakh. In the beginning of the first month, it is not started. Loan has not started. It is 1 lakh. Correct? Now what I do? I have to calculate the interest. Now what is interest formula? Principal into I. Principal into interest. So you can put a formula. See what formula I put? Equal to principal. What is my principal? Now the principal is 1 lakh. So click the cell. Click the cell. Into means star. Okay, star. And what's the interest? 0.01. Press enter. So you see, for 1 lakh the interest is 0.01. I'll repeat it again. Just watch it. It is equal to, click on the principal and then put a star and then put the interest 0.01. That will give you the interest. So this is the beginning value. Okay, and the interest calculated is a principal into rate of interest. Rate of interest is 0.01, so it is 1000. Now principal paid at the end of each month. What are the, see, I have told you EMI has two components. What are the two components? EMI has principal as well as interest. This EMI has principal as well as interest. Now I have calculated the calculated the interest. So what is my contribution of 8,884.88 towards the principal? That is what I want to find. So what will be that? Very simple. EMI minus the interest. So equal to, I say EMI minus the interest. Can you see it? EMI minus interest. So When you pay 8,884 towards your loan, you are paying 1,000 rupees interest and paying 7,884 towards your principal. So this is the amount you are paying towards the principal. So what will be the principal outstanding at the end? Your beginning value minus the amount that you have contributed towards the principal. This is the amount you have contributed towards the principal. So the principal outstanding at the end will be equal to the original principal, the principal minus the principal that you have contributed. So this will be your new principal. This is the present value of the annuity at the end of one term. Again, I'll repeat here. This is 1 lakh. 1 lakh, you are paying an EMI of 8,884. For 1 lakh, you are paying 0.01 interest, that is 1,000. Now, your EMI has two components. One is the principal component, other one is the interest component. So 884, if you subtract the interest, you get the principal that you contribute towards your loan. Now, what will be the amount outstanding? The amount outstanding that for which you have to pay loan is 1 lakh. You already paid this principal. So 1 lakh minus this will be 92,175. Am I clear? So now this will be the principal for the next month. So again, you can put the formula equal to 1 lakh rupees minus the principal paid at the end of each month. I think everything is done. Now what do? You don't have to keep on typing. All that you need to do is just drag the values. For some time you feel there's nothing happening, just wait and see. The formula is taking into effect. You see? Drag all the values. Now you can see everything is clear. Very beautifully it has come. Now watch this. Now see this. In the first month, the interest is 1,000. The second month, interest is 9,921. Third month, interest is 8,841. So this is all the interest that you paid for 12 months. And these are the contribution towards your principal. Okay. Now you see at the end, your balance is 0. That means your loan is completed. See, some error will be there because of the approximation, but doesn't matter. It is 0. Okay. Now watch this. I want to find what is the total. I want to find the total interest paid. So what do? Select the interest column and select one more vacant cell and go to sum. There will be a formula for sum. Can you see there is a formula for auto sum? Just click that. So the total interest that you pay, okay, towards your loan is 6,618 rupees. Now let us see what is the total principal you paid. What you are supposed to get? You are supposed to get 1 lakh rupees. Okay, let us see whether we get 1 lakh. Yes, we got 1 lakh rupees. So when you borrowed 1 lakh rupees, you are basically paying 1,06,618 rupees, where 1 lakh goes towards your loan amount and 6,618 is the interest that you pay. Okay, so this is how the amortization chart is prepared. Okay, this is how the amortization chart is prepared. So you can cross check these values using formula, and you can also try this calculation for the EMI that you are paying, and so that you understand what you are paying, what is the interest you pay every month. Many of them don't even know for what amount they are paying. Okay, what exactly happens to them. And also what you can do, the same problem, increase the tenure by say 2 years. You will see what happens. The interest will increase. Okay, you can try those things. Okay, I hope this video was very useful to you. Okay, we'll see you with more videos. Kindly subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon for all notifications. We'll see you again in the next video with something interesting. Have a nice day. Bye bye.